One country controls war across the world. America spends more on its military than the next 10 countries combined. But does money really mean power in modern warfare? With stealth jets like the F-35, America dominates the skies without being seen, striking targets before enemies even know they are there. At sea, 11 massive aircraft carriers allow the United States to control the oceans, projecting power across every major region of the world. But today's wars are no longer fought only by soldiers on the ground. Artificial intelligence is now deeply involved, guiding drones, analyzing data, and selecting targets in real time. Hypersonic missiles move so fast that most defense systems cannot stop them in time, changing the rules of attack and defense forever. With more than 800 military bases spread across the globe, America does not need to move closer to war. War is already close to everyone else. Yet war is not just about money or weapons alone. Countries like China and Russia are rapidly closing the technology gap, investing heavily in AI, cyber warfare, and space-based systems. In modern warfare, information, satellites, and data control the battlefield. The side that sees first, thinks faster, and reacts quicker usually wins. The next war may not be fought by humans at all. It may be fought by machines, algorithms, and autonomous systems making decisions in seconds. So who really controls global war today? America or the technology it created? Subscribe for the truth behind modern warfare.